I love my boldly growing cedar raised planter, but I did a lot to customize it. Here's what I did. First thing, I painted it so it would match our railings. After 2 coats, it was perfect. And then I actually added more liner. Right here, we didn't have it correct, so we added a little more just to make sure none of the dirt comes out the sides. Once it was fully lined, it was ready to go, and I made sure to follow their directions on a mix of different dirts, the compost and the planter topsoil and some coconut coir, blended that up, and man, it's perfect. It is so much space, and I have 2 of these for my seasonal garden. I'm starting early right now, so I'm just adding in the strawberries, and I'll be adding the rest in the coming months. And I love that I can just stand and easily water this, and it looks beautiful. Matches my house, looks great in front of our house, and definitely is designed to stand the test of time. Fantastic raised planters that I strongly recommend.